Welcome back everybody! Today we're gonna do a light kit for my favorite scale vehicle. It's the FMS FCX24M. This, as I said, is my favorite vehicle when it comes to the scale small mini RC crawlers. And from the factory we have lights at the front. The light kit will incorporate the roof light, we will incorporate the blinkers and also the rear light. So after the install we will have lights in all the light buckets that come from the factory. So it will be a nice upgrade to get it more scale realistic. But since we're not having an instruction manual, I will not do a montage. I will install the lights and then I will come back and explain everything. Perhaps I do some short clips in the middle of the install just to have something to talk about when we are doing the wrap up, so you can get a feel of how it is to install it. So with that I will come back when I have installed it or when I have something interesting to show you. Alright, to get the cable through the roof I will drill a 5mm hole just inside of the post for the roof rail, just the inside of the roof rail here, or the post to the roof rail. Then we can route it down into the cab here. Because I didn't want the cable to show when everything is mounted. That was the reason why I drilled it inside of the post and not more in the corner of the roof. Let there be light. Okay, so we're finished. I have installed all the lights now. So now we have rear lights, we have roof lights, and we have front lights. One thing is that the blinkers is on all the time. Since we don't have a light controller inside the ESC, the lights are on all the time. And to sum it up, the only tricky thing is that you have to remove the interior and then drill a hole on the roof, as I will show you in the clip now. And then it's quite straightforward. You just install all the lights and the light buckets are already there from the factory. They are just empty, so you insert the light bulbs into the light sockets. And then the included wiring, it's just plug and play. There is connectors everywhere where you need it. So the roof light you connect here, and then the original front lights you splice into the included cable harness. Now a better angle, easier to show you. So what is included in the kit? You have the rear lights and the blinkers on either side. You have 4 roof lights, that is quite powerful, and 2 blinkers here. So if we had a light controller, you could get the blinkers to act like a blinker, but now they are just staying on all the time. But I think it's look quite sharp either way. So now we have a more scaled vehicle, since all the light buckets are working. So it's a quite easy mod. It took me about 1 hour to do this. And then I also filmed a couple of things and thought about the process. So if you are just installing it by yourself, for yourself, it perhaps should take 40 minutes, so it's a quite easy mod that makes the vehicle look a lot better. Alright, so with that, this video is finished. I will link where I bought the light kit in the description. I bought it from AliExpress, and it was a good kit. Every cable length was good, and it was easy to install, as I said. So with that, hit the like button, subscribe, and I will do some other video now. See you in the next one. Bye!